During February 2020 and March 2020, when the pandemic was started, the whole world was trembling with fear. And we are also not having any clue about what to do for training the students, continuing our classes, and continuing our regular day-to-day activities. Immediately during May, we have started taking up the training of the faculties and students around the world using spoken tutorial because we were already trained in that. So we have started to schedule the 10 workshops using spoken tutorial during May 2020. It was conducted within the 10 days of duration. We did not expect the response was huge from the world. Okay, so we had participants from students, research scholars, faculty, principals, HODs, and internal VAT people and external VAT people. Everyone has enthusiastically participated. So the course has been designed in such a way that we have given course spoken tutorial as a prerequisite, and on top of spoken tutorial, we also gave some additional sessions. So it is something like 50% to 60% it is spoken tutorial in some workshops, and then 40 to 50% the VAT sessions in another workshops. And it was not a very easy task to complete our workshops. Every workshop we had assessment daily, and then hacker rank contests. Okay, so everything was designed keeping spoken tutorial as a base. Within 10 days, we were able to get 8,000 participants. They were able to give wonderful testimonials in the final valedictory session of all the 10 workshops, where Canon sir and our Vice Chancellor, everyone has appreciated. So the reason why they have appreciated is that when our university itself is not having a clue about what to do, we were able to reach out to around 10,000 people using spoken tutorial. That gives a confidence to the university that yeah, we can sustain in this online world. That was a very, very good achievement as far as spoken tutorial usage is considered. We are very much thankful to IIT Bombay for the same. Thank you.